Searching for the best note taking app for 2026? Here we pit Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notion against each other to find out which one gets crowned as the best note app of the year. Let's get started with each one. First, we have Anytype, the private object based workspace. Anytype is an open source note taking app with a focus on privacy. It keeps your data private because it is stored locally and is encrypted with AnySync on your device. It uses a database approach with an object based method where you categorize your notes according to people, projects, and tasks. This makes them linked together in a structured manner. It has an offline first approach, which means you will be working offline while it syncs data with various platforms such as iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, and Linux. Second, we have Capacities, the visual graph like knowledge hub. The application Capacities is based on visual, belief graph interface where the connections between concepts are mapped out. Capacities provides users with object based notes, meaning that all tasks and projects have connections to other notes. The software provides a good free version with a belief plan unlocking access to advanced AI and queries capabilities. Capacities also supports an excellent native offline mode and tablet optimized interface and is especially useful for people who organize their work in daily logs using various object types. Thus, the application is particularly effective for people who need quick searches but a very structured environment. Third, we have Obsidian, your local knowledge graph. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management software that uses Markdown as its base. The main selling point of Obsidian is a graph of the local knowledge that connects all your notes and supports backlinks. In Obsidian, your notes exist as ordinary .md files stored locally and giving the user an endless lifetime of the content stored. Obsidian has graph view, allowing one to see how different notes are interconnected, which is perfect for creating a second brain. The software is completely free with optional paid sync and publish modules. And lastly, we have Notion, the all in one team workspace. Notion is a cloud based workspace which combines notes, tasks, wikis, and databases. This application is designed for collaboration where users can collaborate by sharing pages and monitoring their projects in real time. The design of Notion is block based, but in 2026, Notion has introduced the use of Notion AI as well as Notion Calendar for automation. There is a generous personal plan available in Notion, and team plans cost around $10 per use per month. Notion is the best option if you require a common knowledge base and rich integration with other applications. Therefore, what is the premium note application in 2026? If privacy and local storage are important features to consider, the two premium apps are Anytype and Obsidian. The object based app will be preferred to Obsidian, which focuses on deep linking and markdown language capabilities. Capacities should be considered for those who enjoy visually mapping information through graphs. Capacities also follows the object first approach and provides an advanced approach to managing knowledge. Notion will be the ideal option for those seeking collaboration, databases, and team workspaces.